commercial agriculture and plantation agriculture, the terms appear similar, but there is a very basic difference between the two. Let's first understand what is a commercial farming. So commercial farming is a farming which is done for the commercial purpose. That means the idea is profit motive. The idea is to sell the produce. Now this selling of the produce could be nationally within the national boundaries or internationally, that is outside the national boundaries. This commercial farming can take place in extensive farming, it can take place in intensive farming, it can take place in any kind of farming, but the idea is it is meant for profit motive. Okay. Now, what would be used? High yielding variety of seeds, pesticides, fertilizers, modern irrigation technologies and cold storage would be part of the commercial farming. There could be greenhouse that could be developed for a commercial farming. For example, in India, we have Lasalgaon, which is known for production of onion and garlic. Then you have onions coming from Nasik, oranges coming from Maharashtra, oranges coming from Sikkim. Similarly, apples coming from Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, coconut, garlic, ginger coming from Kerala, potatoes coming from West Bengal, Maharashtra, cotton being grown in the Deccan Plateau. So all these are regions of commercial farming. And most of the crops like apples, grapes, mushrooms, cauliflower, broccoli are some of the examples for commercial farming. As mentioned, the idea is to earn more profit, a large scale market that should be available for selling the products. But what is different with plantation farming or plantation agriculture? Under plantation agriculture, you grow only one crop. So it is monocropping. For example, this is an image for a tea plantation. Now, a single crop is grown over a large piece of land. This idea was brought with the British advent in India and the regions where British colonies was established, and mainly cash crops were grown. So those crops which could earn profit were grown, but this is different from the commercial farming. So plantation farming, I repeat again, it's a huge parcel of land with just one crop that is done in a systematic, organized way. Initially, the crop is grown in nursery, transplanted into the main farm, requires highly skilled laborers. So, for example, tea plantation in India requires highly skilled laborers. Similarly, we have the various plantations for rubber, for cocoa, and those plantations are mainly seen. All the kind of plantation farming we are talking about are mainly seen in the tropical and the subtropical belt of Asia and Africa, where labor is abundant, labor is skilled. There is estates that are seen, which are basically large parcels for understanding and organizing the farming patterns. The growing, harvesting, processing and packing actually takes place. Some of the common crops in plantation, as we know, are tea. Then you have coffee, rubber as another important crop. Then you have cocoa, a lot of cocoa plantation in Africa. We have seen the case studies for those. Coconut, sugarcane as another plantation crop, and then there is cotton as another important plantation crop. So those are some of the common important plantation crops that are seen, and this is a basic difference between commercial farming versus a plantation. In commercial, there is no one single crop, but the idea is to generate profit. It could be a form of extensive or intensive farming, where there could be a huge parcel of land or a small patch of land, or there could be a greenhouse that could be developed. Either of those could work as a commercial farming. But under plantation, there is a huge parcel of land with a single crop and a highly organized estate system that is there. The transplantation is done in the main farm. They are planted initially in the nurseries and also requires highly skilled labor for plantation farming. So that was the difference between commercial and plantation farming. We would be covering many more interesting lectures. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.